Hey guys, Alicia here. If you have been following my channel, you know that I am all about making a passive income. And I also like to teach the fundamentals that you need in order to start your business, whether it be Etsy, whatever it is that you like to do. This is going to be a tutorial on how to make a basic watercolor blob using Paint 3D. If you don't have Paint 3D on your computer already, you can download it. Is what I like about this so much is that it already has the watercolor brush that we are going to need. So we have the several different brushes over here. We've got the marker, we have the calligraphy pen, we have the oil brush. But this is the one we're going to use right here, is the watercolor brush. Now you can choose whatever color you want, and you can even mix colors if you want. But for today's video, I'm just going to do one color just to kind of show you how this is done. But yeah, you can check or pick any color on the color spectrum here that you want. And I have already chosen the color that I am going to use, which is this color. So the next thing you're going to want to do is you have options here to make it matte, gloss, dull metal, polished metal, and I select gloss. Okay, so this is where we're going to kind of start painting, and you can get as creative as you want with this. I'm just going to kind of make my outline first. And then we're going to color this in. And you can also over here, you can select your thickness, you can select your opacity, or however you want to do it. So I just increased that a little bit just to make it go a little bit more, to make it go faster. Okay, now there is our watercolor blob, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Is what we're going to do now is we're going to save this, and right here we're going to save it as an image. And I have now saved that image to my desktop. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to show you what we can do with this. Thanks for watching, and I hope everyone had a great day.